என்னை பெற்ற அன்னைக்கும் நான் கற்ற தமிழ் அன்னைக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். I am Arulmani from Salem. In this video, I want to emphasize the need to bring out some amendments in the existing laws so that the buildings without toilet facilities cannot be let out for rent. At present in India, many residential houses are being let out for rent without toilet facility. It is pathetic that some house owners, even if they let out more than one residential house for rent, they do not provide toilet facilities in any of such residential houses. As the rent is less, the poor people come forward to live in such rental houses, even if they do not have the toilet facilities. As the residents living in such residential houses use the surrounding open places and the drainages as toilets, it spoils the hygienic conditions of the environment. So, by realizing the fact that it is injustice to let out a residential house for rent without toilet facilities, we must bring out some necessary amendments in the existing laws to make it as the legal right of the tenants to expect the toilet facilities in their rental houses. A building must be considered as a residential house only when it has the toilet facility, and no building must be considered as a residential house without toilet facilities. And also, the activity by which a building without toilet facility is let out for rent for the purpose of residence, and the activity by which a building without toilet facility is taken out for rent for the purpose of residence must be considered legally as an offence. At this well-civilized present-day living condition, permitting the rental houses without toilet facilities is a sign of the occurrence of drawback in our legal system. So, in order to protect the rights of the tenants of the rental houses, we must take necessary action to bring out necessary amendments in the existing laws so that the buildings without toilet facilities cannot be let out for rent. Thank you.